The always earth-friendly DirectConnect LED linear lights are a simple and fast retrofit for T12, T8, and T5 lighting. Make sure that the power is off to the unit before you get started and remove the fluorescent lamps properly. As you can see, we opened up this area and we fed the power whip through our ballast cover. This makes for an easier installation. We will now bypass that ballast by disconnecting the line voltage, both the positive and the neutral wires, from the ballast. This completely bypasses that ballast and saves you a ton of energy. We will now either wing nut these wires coming from the ballast or we can cut them off. We now take a few seconds to organize those wires and push them back and up into the fixture. We can now connect our power whip that we fed through our ballast cover back to the line voltage coming into the fixture. By using wing nuts, we connect both the neutral and the positive. The power whip does not have polarity, so it does not matter if we attach the positive or the neutral first. We then organize those wires and replace our ballast cover. Remember that each fixture is different, so when you go to install the power whip, it may be different how it comes into the fixture. We start by taking the second light and installing the connector whip as you see. We then magnetize that to the ballast cover and leave that light for a second. We can now connect the power whip to the first light in the series. We then connect the connector whip on the other side. Once connected, we can magnetize that to the light fixture. We can now turn our power back on. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to become a reseller, please contact us at www.alwaysearthfriendly.com.